has a hurricane local statement for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, inland Worcester, Maryland beaches, and Wicomico. Dangerous tropical storm conditions ongoing across much of southeast Virginia and northeast North Carolina. Significant storm surge inundation expected this afternoon. Especially in Hampton Roads and coastal northeast North Carolina. Situation overview. Hurricane Dorian remains a dangerous hurricane. Dorian is now east of Cape Hatteras and will race off to the northeast late today into Saturday. Significant impacts from Dorian are ongoing across northeast North Carolina and eastern Virginia. The strongest wind is expected to persist into the early to mid-afternoon hours across northeast North Carolina and eastern Virginia, with sustained winds of at least 40 miles per hour and gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. Hurricane force wind is possible, especially over coastal communities of northeast North Carolina. In addition, a few hurricane force gusts are possible along Virginia Atlantic coast south of Cape Charles. The strong wind will knock down trees and weaken structures, and cause power outages. Storm surge impacts are unfolding with Hurricane Dorian. Inundation of 2 to 3 feet above ground is expected from Hampton Roads into coastal northeast North Carolina today. Inundation of 1 to 2 feet is possible north of Hampton Roads and along the eastern shore. Large breaking waves will likely result in moderate to significant beach erosion and ocean overwash along the coasts of southeast Virginia and northeast North Carolina. Vulnerable areas could experience erosion at multiple high tide cycles. Very dangerous marine conditions are expected with seas 12 to 20 feet and potentially higher. A high threat of rip currents will continue for all area beaches, and it is advised to stay out of the water. Heavy rainfall from Dorian will continue through this afternoon, especially across far southeast Virginia and far northeast North Carolina. Many areas in this region are in flood or flash flood warnings at this time. An additional 2 to 4 inches of rain is possible through this afternoon, exacerbating the flood conditions. Some minor to moderate river flooding is possible late today and into the weekend, especially for smaller rivers and creeks. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Wakefield, Virginia around 6 p.m. or sooner if conditions warrant. The current time is 1:57 p.m.